Alright, my friends, we are back with another 2009 7-day roguelike called Fist of the Rogue Warrior. This one was a bit tricky to get to get going. It's easy enough to find. I'll include a link to where you can find it. It is a Python-based game. I've gone through in other videos how to set up Python at some point or another. I don't remember what. The first time we ever had to use it was when we did a Let's Play of Java Jack. I can't remember. There's been at least one or two other Python games where I've at least mentioned where to find Python, etc. No offense, but I don't feel like looking for that again. So find it on your own if you want to play this. And figure out how to install it on your own if you want to play it, because I don't remember how. It was a big rigmarole. But it is installed now. At this point, all I have to do is go to the command prompt on Windows, find my way to the folder that contains Fist of the Rogue Warrior, and type in Python space fotrw.py, and the game would theoretically start up. It didn't when I first ran it. Why? Because it said you lack the curses module. So I had to go online and look for where I could download curses. I downloaded that, and also on that page, which I'll include a link to, it let me see if I can find it. Here it is. It has at the top, you can copy this to the clipboard, pip install Windows curses. I copied that to the clipboard and stabbed it into the command prompt, pasted it in the command prompt and hit enter, and boom, it said it installed curses. I don't know how the fuck it found the thing I downloaded, unless it's already somewhere on my computer, I don't know. But bottom line is, it apparently installed curses, and the next time I tried Python fotrw.py, it instantly started the game like this. Now here's the thing, there's no information on this game. Like it was tricky to get started, and I have no clue what's going on. I'll give you the sum total of what I know about this. If I go into the project here where you can find it, this was made by S. Chu. It says, my first roguelike, also my first Python project, written in 7 days as a learning exercise, constructive criticism on coding style, welcome. There is no, I'm going to double and triple check, but there is no manual, there's nothing. I have no clue what to expect. I don't know what the style of game is. We're going to dive in together and start pressing buttons and see if we can figure this thing out. Now that we've found out how to get it running. What else do I have to tell you? The only other thing I should mention is that I think as the years go by, we're going to see less and less of these Python-based games. One of the reasons they were so prevalent at the start, I think, is that at some point somebody made a Python-based tutorial on how to program a roguelike. And a lot of people grabbed that and typed it in verbatim and used that as a basis for starting their own game when they're just learning to code. So apparently it's an easy language to learn to code in, I guess. I've never used it, and you can start with this base of code that will help you build your roguelike. So it was used a lot in the early 7-day roguelike challenges. I shouldn't say a lot, but a lot more than it is now. Select your difficulty level: 5 mooks, 10 mooks, 15 mooks, or enter your own number. I don't know what the hell a mook is, other than I think it's a Yiddish phrase for a person who's kind of a jerk. And I think in the, what was that called? The Wizardry series, Wizardry Bane of the Cosmic Forge, I think you could play a mook, which was a race. It was like this, I don't know, hooded, ethereal figure. Other than that, I don't know what the hell a mook is. We're going to try 5 mooks, because I assume that's easier than the other ones. I don't know. Let's try it. A. Oh. Well. What the fuck is it saying now? Blah, 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 self-defense. What the fuck? Trace back. Most recent call last line 54. Modded game objects. Player stats. Game objects. Line self-defense. Belt factory. Create defense. The fuck? Okay. I see no logical reason to think if we tried that again it's going to work. I'm going to try it, because this will not count as today's sole fucking video. But I'm proud of the fact that we got it running this far. Let's try 10 mooks. No. Same error, I assume. Python. I'm going to try each of them. 15 mooks. Enter your own number. Enter the number of mooks to face. 1. Alright, we'll try one last thing. 0. Alright, no matter what we do, this is what happens. Um, yeah, I guess that's as far as we're gonna get. I am nonetheless going to put up this video, and I'll put up something else today, because this is one of the 7-day roguelikes of 2009. And although we could not get it really going, we got the opening screen up, and that's as much as we can explore right now. And in terms of the history of roguelikes and the history of the 2009 7-day roguelike challenge, it's at least a glimpse at something that exists. If anybody else has a clue what this means or how to deal with it, by all means tell me. I assume the answer will be no. In the meantime, I'm going to throw up another video today. So this is just a glimpse at what might have been in our playing session and never will be.